chicken nuggets, it's Miss P. Welcome to my channel. I teach belly dance for fun, fitness, femininity. I secretively want to be Richard Simmons, Jane Fonda, and Will Ferrell all in one. But I'm not. I am me. So with that said, there's going to be a lot of shake and bacon, a lot of laughing. Let's do it. Are you ready? Yes? This is beginner intermediate. I'm going to teach you a few moves and a combination. Let's get started. Open up the feet wide, a quick warm-up. Crisscross the arms, rock the hips, inhale up, exhale, good, hup, 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 hup. And one more time, inhale up, grow tall. I love it, good, hands on hips. Now sit and rock and work, work, work. Last 4 and 3 and 2 and rest. Check me out, bend, tuck, lift, cross, cross, inhale up, exhale down, good, 2 more times, inhale up, exhale, 1 more time, cutie patooties, check me out, spine roll, cat cow, open, roll it, roll it, roll it, curl it up, curl it up. I want you to get that spine nice and pliable. Again, hop, down, 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 roll it up, roll it up. 1 more time, please. Yes. All the way down, little chicken nuggets. Come all the way up to the top. Beautiful shoulders back. Sit. Melt like butter, baby. Lift up, melt down. Lift up, melt down. Good. Last time. Beautiful. Walk those feet. Toe heel, toe heel. Let's finish our warm-up. Arms to the side. Press right, press left. Just get some circulation going. Okay, get some circulation going in the feet. This is also a good chance, fix the bosoms, the belts, the hair, all that good stuff, because we're about to start. Good, listen up, listen up. Here's 4, 3, 2 feet flat and shimmy. Ooh, my newbies, this is called a shimmy. This is one technique for shimmying. Shimmy means to shake. I call it shaking and bacon. Rotisserie chicken style, which means the meat is coming off of the bone. I want you to pump your knees so rapidly, but gently enough that the thighs jiggle wiggle, okay? And this momentum, this shaking, this vibration comes up into your belly. Here's 8, 7, 6. Let's go. In 4, legs are straight. 3, 2, 8 more. Inhale up, 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 up. Frame it down and down, down, down and rest. Okay, we are warm. Let's dive in. Check me out. Heels kiss. Introducing hip drops. Take your right foot. Bring that heel into the arch. Zip up, no space. Sit down. High heel, tuck, lift, roll, balance, and sit. Down, up, down, down. What? Down, up, down, down. Drop, lift, drop, drop. Down, up, down, down. Doom tech, doom, doom. Doom tech, doom, doom. Doom tech, doom, doom. Other side, we change. Kiss. Left foot. Zip up. Sit, touch, tuck, lift, roll. Down, up, down, down. Here we go. Doom tech, doom, doom. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Other side, we change. Heel, slide, zip, sit, touch, tuck, lift, arms. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Other side, we change. Zip up, sit, touch, tuck, lift, diagonal, arms, and. Here we go. Down, up, down, down. So practice it over and over till you get it. Down, up, down, down. Last time. And shimmy. Hup. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Pump your knees. Grow tall. Exhale. Again, don't fake it. Inhale. Up. Fantastic. Let's add on. Give me bend, tuck, lift, foot pattern, rock step, scissor step. Check me out. Forward and back. Forward and back. Step forward. Remember the roller skating rink? 80s, 90s, my people, if you were there. Put your right foot in, right foot out, right right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey, remember that? I need the hokey pokey modified belly dance style. Check me out. Here's forward and back, forward and back. In 5, 6, step together, other side. Hup, forward and back. Let's get comfy on this side. Again, we're rocking. Chest stays in place, so there's no teeter-tottering. All right. There's no coming up on the balls. Everything is level. Listen up. Good. Remember hokey pokey, put your left foot in, left foot out, left foot in, and you shake it all about. Yep, kind of doing the hokey pokey. All right, listen up, listen up. Here's 4, 3, we're gonna step together, other side. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, step together, other side. Hup, hup, forward and back. Forward, keep it small, keep it tight. 5, 6, step together, last time. Other side, please. Forward, cross, open, hug, open, hug. Other side, hup, hup, open, hug. I'm hugging Brad Pitt. He's my celebrity crush. Hey, Brad. Last time, and shimmy. Good. Inhale, take a deep breath. Look, there's no one physically here. You guys are over there, and by myself, trying to entertain myself. Okay? Talking to myself over here. So we're just trying to keep it fun. Let's add those two together. Yes? Heels kiss. Right foot into the arch of the left. Plie, releve, tuck. Lift, roll, diagonal. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Now forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Step together, other side. What? Down, up, down, down. Yes, yes. Down, up, down, down. 2 more. Down, up, down, down. Forward and back. Forward and cross. Forward and cross. Can we do that whole sequence again? Yes, yes. Right side, please. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Drop, lift, drop, drop. Rock step, scissor step. Forward and back. Forward and cross. Forward and back. Left side, last time. Here we go. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Forward and back. Please, forward and cross. I love it. We're going to add on. Last time. And stay. Shimmy and breathe. Reset. Grow tall. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Grow that rib cage tall. Extend, expand. Pump your knees like a crazy person. Oh, I love it. And rest. Check me out. We're going to add on. Feet parallel, knees soft. Tuck. Lift, roll. Arms. Open. Check me out. Forward, back. I'm going to show you different angles. Check me out. My abdominal wall is engaged. My tailbone is tucked. Pushing forward and back without releasing my tailbone, without rocking my pelvis. So it's a weight change in the pelvis and the legs, toes to heels. It is not a tucking and a releasing. So this is something different. So hold that in, arms. If you can, bring your hands up to your head and just experience what that feels like to keep the upper body silent and gently shift the lower body forward and back. Good, arms up, hup. Feel it in the feet. So Arabic dance, we dance from the ground up. Belly dance, Oriental dance, Middle Eastern dance. There's so many different genres. Regardless, we do connect with the floor. Open arms, palms down, balance, 4, 3. Now I'm gonna change it, follow me. Side, 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 slide right, left, good. Again, knees are not locked, but they're not super bent either. They're like in a nice in-between, comfortable hybrid area. They're like one of those hybrid cars, electric and gas, and they're kind of working together, yeah? So they're not completely straight, but they're not super plied or bent. They're kind of in the middle. Push your hip past your shoulder, balance with your arms. Listen up, here's 4, 3. We're gonna put this together. Follow me. Front, side, back, side. Hup, push, slide, pull, slide. Last time, forward, side. Now cuties, connect the dots. Forward, back, arms up, stretch, reach, lengthen. Imagine a string coming through your spine. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from a side profile view. Again, I'm not winding. I'm not sticking my tailbone out. Everything is nice and controlled, pulled in. Good. Palms down. Here's 4, 3, 2. One more time and hold. Other way. Push. Front, side, back, side, front, side. Cutie patooties. Connect the dots. Forward, back. And it doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be huge. Don't put strain on the back. Oh, no. A little goes a long way. Push front, pull back. Here's 4, 3, 2. Hold, shimmy. Leave it alone. We're going to add on to it. Inhale, full lungs. Exhale, one more time. Inhale. Beautiful. We're going to add on. Let's go to feet for a second here. High heel shoe. Close, tuck, lift, roll, balance. Step together, step, touch, follow me, please. Step together, step, boop. Step together, step, boop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiny feet. Tiny. None of this. Tiny feet. Good. Arms up. Just to get that rib cage up and out. Girl, get out of the way. You weren't invited, right? Rib cages are not invited to the pelvis party. So lift your chest up. Open arms. Say this in your mind. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Listen up. I'm going to add. Rock it forward and back. Push, pull, forward, back, arms up. Good, control it. A little goes a long way. I'm going to show you what it looks like from different angles. Good, showing you, keep going. Push, pull, open arms, push, push. Guess what I'm going to add? A circle and a half. Check me out, circle and a half. What? Circle and a half. What? Draw a curly Q. Draw a curly Q. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Push, pull, push. Arms up, try it with me. Circle. This one's tricky. People have trouble with this one because there's a lot going on. There's feet, weight change, and direction change. So I got you. Practice over and over till you get it. Palms down. We're going to start putting it all together. Listen up. Here's 4, 3, 2. Hip drop. What? Hey. Hip drop. Hey. What? Hip drop and down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Last time. Forward, and back, forward and back. We're going to build. Then we're going to cut in half. Listen up. Circle and a half. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Again, hip drop. Down, up, down, down. Listen. Down, up, forward and back. Forward and back. Circle and a half. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Step together, stay. Other side. Let's do it on the left. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Last time. Forward, back, forward and back. Forward. Two more. Forward and back. Circle and a half. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Step together, stay. And and hold from the top. Down, up, down, down. 2 of everything. Ready? Forward. Look what I added. Takata, can you try it? Circle. Step together. Step, excuse me. Whoop, lunch is coming up. Step together. Step. Hold and hold. Down, up, down, down. One more. Down, up, down, down. Forward and back. Look what I added. A little takata. Circle and a half. Can you do it? Step together. Step. Step together. Step. We're going to add. We're going to start getting fancy. Stay. Shimmy. Hip drop. Hup. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Shake and bake. Shake and bake. Circle and a half. Circle and a half. Circle and a half. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Forward and back. Forward and back. And step together. Step. Touch. Step together. Step. Touch. Step together. Step. Shimmy. Arms. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Shake and cross. Shake and cross. Circle and a half. Circle and a half. Circle and a half. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Hup. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. Shake it and bake it. Boom. Circle. Hup, hup. Step together. Step. Step together. Step. Step together. Stay and shimmy. Listen up. I'm going to add a little bit more. Follow me. Hip drop. Down, up, down, down, slide. Down, up, down, down, slide. Shake and cross. Shake and cross. Step together. Step. Touch. Step together. Step. Touch. Step together. Step. And shimmy. Hup, hup. Down, up, down, down, kick. Down, up, down, down, kick. Forward, back, forward, circle. Hup, hup. Step together. Step. Step together. Step. Step together. Stay. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Last time. Down, up, down, down, kick. Down, up, down, down, kick. Shake and bake and shake and bake. Step together. Step. Step together. Step. Step together. Step. Shimmy and last time. Down, up, down, down, kick. Down, up, down, down, kick. Forward, back, akata, circle, and step together. Step. Step together. Step. Step together. Step. Shimmy and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. So that was just a little fun tidbit. Shake it out. Shake it out. Practice it over and over. Make it your own. Insert stuff, add stuff, change stuff. Have fun. Let's do a quick release. Open up feet. Inhale, deep breath. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Can you do a spine roll? All the way down. Curl it up. Beautiful. One more time, just to give a little reset to the vertebra, to that spine. Nice work, little nugglets. Bring the feet together. We're going to sit into the hip, gently bending the knees. Give a nice little stretch. And other side. Yeah, baby. Just a little release. Shake it and shake it. Loosen it up. Give yourself a hug. 2 kisses. Zachary. I super duper love you. Leave me a comment. Send me a request. I like ya. I love ya. Thanks for being here with me. Have a great day.